Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandy, Decorate Your Life, and I'm coming on here to, I received some happy mail from Gina, so I want to go ahead and open it up real quick. And Gina, you didn't have to send me anything, but I thank you for it. I'm so happy. When I saw it yesterday, I was like, yay! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's the card. Oh, excuse me. Look at this. It's so cute. Okay, known for the holidays. How cute is that? I love it. Sandy, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and an awesome New Year 2024. Love you. Gina loves the crowds. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I love it. Thank you so much, Gina. And oh my gosh, I see something really cool here. Hang on a second. Let me open it up like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She sent me a stocking. Look at that. She sent me a stocking and it's got something in it. Okay, before we look at this, oh, cardstock. Yes. I love this color. Yes. Oh, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, my goodness. I love these colors for my cards and stuff. Oh, my gosh. This is like a slate. Like you know those slate floorings, that really fancy slate, that the expensive flooring that you could put in around a house, you know, in a house. That's what this color is. It's very beautiful. It's not black. It's not gray. It's got like a hint of brown going in there. And so, yeah, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You know, girl, that these are going to go into great use. Okay. And she gave me a stocking. I'm so looking forward to it. Oh, my goodness. Let me see. Okay. Eyes. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me make sure that I got everything. Okay. Okay. We got some stickers, and I love stickers, because I use them in my planners and in my traveler's notebooks. Look. Aren't these the cutest stickers? Love them. And we have a snowflake die. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, honey. And put this over here. We have more dies here. Let's see what we have. How about? I'm like, I like to tear everything up. Okay. Looky. I don't have anything. Oh my gosh, Gina. Just the other day when I was going through Temu, I was like, you know what? Maybe I should order some nautical type dies, because I don't have any. And I've been wanting to come up with a nautical paper collection for the longest time. I already have a couple of mermaid collections out there, but I want to do is nautical. Okay, and I'm like, I should get some nautical dies. Thank you so much. This got me started. You got me started on that. And over here we have studio sets from, who is this? Not Frank Garcia. My gosh, what's his name? Richard Garay. I'm sorry, Frank. I'm sorry, Richard. Oh my gosh. This is Richard's stamps are so cute. Looky. It's so super cute. I love these heart stamps. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay. And we have, I'm sucking on a candy because, you know, my throat. What is this? Oh my gosh. These are trims. Like canvas trims. I can make bows with this. Oh, yes, I can. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And these are more stamps. Let's see what we have here. This one says, words, 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 something. This one says something else. This one says something else. I know that's an R. I feel like Beavis and Butthead. Words, words, words. Thank you so much, Gina. Thank you. And this one says, celebrate, happy birthday, have a twisted, is that what it says? Twisted, have a twisted birthday, pop it, twist it, shout it. Oh, cool. And these are nautical, like fishies type. Look at this one. I like this one with the big fat lips. I love fishies with the big fat lips. Yeah, and so this is what I got. And a little update, y'all. I haven't been feeling well. I'm going to have a procedure on the 21st. It is a very non-invasive procedure. I will be under general anesthesia, and I can go home the very same day. On the 28th, I have an MRI to see how it went, and then we're going to schedule a second procedure. And these small procedures they're non-invasive, and they're in the hopes of getting the inflammation and the pain down from my spine, because the discs that have extruded or out, the slip discs, like I said, I have dish disease, and they have turned to stone pretty much, and it's right at the spinal cord. Okay, so that's what's causing a lot of pain and so forth. And so we are going to try something different, less invasive, because as the doctor explained it, if we go in to put in a rod, the way the thing has calcified, it's in such a way that it leaves very little room for them to work, and any hit or anything to the spinal cord could leave me paralyzed for the rest of my life. So, we're going to try bringing the inflammation down first, and on 2 different spots. So we get one spot next week, then MRI, then we schedule for another spot, and we'll see how that goes. And perhaps afterwards, some physical therapy. And if that doesn't fix it, then we need to do something a little bit more restrictive. I would put more invasive, but I'm praying to the Lord that this is all that I'm going to need, and I'm going to be able to live with this for the rest of my life with just a slight pain here and there, because I really don't want a bar in my spine, a rod for a spine. And we'll go ahead and leave it at that. So you may not see much of me. You may not hear much of me. My store is still open. You can get you digis anytime at my Etsy, at my website. If you want to get a package collection, that's perfect too. My daughter, my son, my husband are here to help me. And if I have to send Jenny an expensive printer so she can take care of everything and let her know how to do everything, I will go ahead and do that just for you. Okay, so my shop will remain open throughout everything. And have a wonderful Christmas, everybody, if I don't see you again. Okay, bye, love you. Thank you so much, honey, for everything that you have sent me. Have fun, everybody. Bye.